All right, let's talk about the real fucking chains. Debt is the new slavery because they don't need whips anymore. They don't need fucking plantations. They don't need overseers. They've got bills. They've got interest. They've got credit scores. They got late fees and they got minimum payments. Same control, new packaging. Back in the day, they owned your body. Now they own your fucking future. Before you even know who you are, they line you up for debt. Student loans, car loans, credit cards, mortgages, medical bills. The list just keeps fucking going. Welcome to adulthood. Most people start life underwater, already behind, already owing, and then they tell you, work hard. No, it's more like fucking work forever, because debt doesn't care how tired you are. It doesn't care if you're sick. It doesn't care if you're burned out. It doesn't care if you're depressed. It wants its fucking money every month on time with interest. Here's the fucking scam. You never pay the real amount. You borrow $10,000 and you pay back 20, 30, sometimes more. For fucking what? For permission to fucking exist? To drive? To live inside? To go to school? To survive emergencies? You're renting your own fucking life from banks, from corporations, from systems that printed the fucking money out of thin air. They create money digitally. You pay for it with years of your fucking life. That's the trade. Time for numbers, time for paper, time for stress, time for obedience. And they call that fucking freedom. If you miss a payment, they punish you, penalize you, lower your score, raise your rates, lock you the fuck out, shame you. Modern discipline system. Digital fucking prison. No bars, just fucking anxiety. Most people stay in jobs they fucking hate because of fucking debt. Stay in relationships they've outgrown because of debt. Stay silent because of debt. Stay small because of debt. That's the fucking control. Not with force, but with fear. The craziest part, they taught you to fucking flex it. I just bought this. I just financed that. I just redid my kitchen. I just upgraded. Fucking congrats, you upgraded your leash. Before debt systems, people built slowly, saved, traded, bartered, owned things outright. Now everything is fucking borrowed, temporary, and fucking conditional. Stop working, it fucking disappears. House, car, lifestyle, status, all gone. So yeah, slavery didn't fucking end. It just got re-fucking packaged and went paperless. Interest replaced chains, contracts replaced cages, credit replaced collars, and most people never notice because the cage is comfortable. Once you fucking see it, you realize real freedom isn't more money. It's less debt. It's ownership of self. It's mobility. It's options. And most above all, it's your fucking peace of mind. Get it? Mind. Mind control. I could go way deeper, but I'm going to keep it here. Debt keeps you busy fucking surviving, so you never start living. That's the fucking trap. And now you know. I hope the wheels on your bus are turning some more. If you made it this far, show your girl some love, because we get graded on this fucking app. And I'll be back with more.